Hi there, YouTube. I wanted to do a video about this lathe again. The last video I made about it was probably a year ago. And I was talking about, I had just added, God, I don't remember now. I think I added the pulleys or something. I can't remember what the heck I added. Anyways, I just wanted to show you what all I've done to it so far. I just made a video of the steel pulley I added, and still, obviously this is still made out of 3D PLA, still 3D printed. But in that video, I didn't have the lever for the tumbler gears, so I'll just show you with the tumbler gears. Right now, the tumbler gears are on, so the lathe the carriage will ride towards the chuck. So it's running forward, and then there's a Allen head screw here. You just turn that, and then you put it so the tumbler gear, I guess, on, if you're looking at it from this side on your right, is engaged with the headstock. Now it's in reverse. You can see the handle is now going the opposite direction, and it's a lot noisier for some reason on this side. This thing likes to jiggle around. So anyways, that was one thing that I had done. I can't remember or not. I don't think so. I think this lever, I'm still using a wooden mount, which sucks, but it's just something I gotta do. But I'm using a wooden mount for the motor, and what I did here is I took two pieces of chain, welded them, ovaled out the inside so this thing can fit in pretty easily, and that's how I drop and lower to engage the motor to start running the lathe. So anyways, that's that. And I also upgraded the tool post, and I'll do a video about that. But yeah, that's the two improvements I made so far with this lathe. I really want to get a bed extension for this lathe. Right now it's only, I believe this is 10-inch lathe. This is an old Harbor Freight lathe, and I would really like to get a bed extension for it. I want to make this a 16-inch lathe, and then maybe one day try to make it so I put this bed and extend it, and then be 26. But like I said, I haven't even got around to getting the bed extension for it. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you got any questions about this, let me know. And thanks for watching.